French Oil Mill Machinery Company, custom, quality, hydraulic press manufacturer since 1900.
I'm Dan French. I'm the chairman and president of the French Oil Mill Machinery Company. My grandfather, Alfred Willard French, started the company here in Piqua, Ohio in 1900 to make machinery, improved machinery for the vegetable oil industry.
For over a century, we have been designing, manufacturing and servicing hydraulic presses and custom processing equipment. Today, we have installations in over 80 countries worldwide. Our 225,000 square foot corporate office and manufacturing facility are located in Piqua, Ohio. We custom design, manufacture and support hydraulic presses for molding rubber and composite materials, lamination applications, screw presses for synthetic rubber processing and oil seed equipment. We will continuously improve our manufacturing processes and our machinery designs for the benefit of the environment and the health, safety and lifestyles of people around the world. Commitment to quality. We are proud to be ISO 9001:2015 certified. 100% quality from 100% of our people, 100% of the time, for our next 100 years and beyond. We strive to make best-in-class, ruggedly built machinery that have an average lifespan over 50 years and operate with maximum productivity and lower processing costs, creating more profits for our customers. French hydraulic presses. Whether you need a standalone press or a system interfaced with automated material and mold handling equipment for unattended manufacturing, our sales and engineering teams partner with you to understand and meet your specific needs. Our hydraulic press designs generally range from 20 tons to 2,000 tons, with either side plate or column construction, C-frame or H-frame, and up-acting or down-acting capabilities. We also offer various heated and cooled platen sizes for compression, transfer, lamination or vacuum molding. Displayed below is a wide variety of our hydraulic presses. Compression presses, transfer presses, composite presses, lamination presses, Vision laboratory presses, Vision vacuum presses, side plate presses, column presses, compaction presses, clamshell presses, die trim presses. Industries we serve: automotive, composite industry, fuel cell, grinding wheel, industrial, laboratory and clean room, lamination, medical, rubber components.
So we try to work together in partnership with our customers. That's one of our company's core values, is working as partners with our customers. And we find that works pretty well, because if you're all on the same side trying to attack the problem, solve the problem, and we can find out really all the ramifications, we come up with a better solution, which is better for the customer, better for his customer, because you always want to look through the chain to what's going on, what's the end product and the end use. Then you can come up with a pretty good solution and have a good time doing it.
Start your journey with French Oil Mill Machinery Company. We look forward to introducing you to our versatile, high-quality hydraulic presses. Get in touch today to find out more.